Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you method overloading in Python. In Python, if a method is written such that it can perform more than one task, it means that there is a one method. In one method, there are multiple tasks which are going to be performed. It is called method overloading. So let's start. First of all, I am going to create a class. The name of class is my class. Now I have to create the method def. The method name would be sum. Passing parameter self. You have to give any other parameter instead of self, but I also gave the self. Then comma. I am giving here parameters where I am going to pass a values. So here I will create three parameters: a equals to none, b equals to none, comma c equals to none. After that, I'm going to give here if condition because I am going to check here the values. So that's why I'm going to use here if condition. If a not equals to none and b not equals to none and c not equals to none, colon, I will create a variable here s and going to pass all values in s variable. So I am going to create a sum of all parameters a plus b plus c. After that, return. I am going to return the value from s, return s. Now I will create object of class. So obj equals to my class, then obj dot sum, but I am going to write it in print because I want to print the value on the screen. So here I will open the brackets. So I will pass the values 10, 20 and 30. After that, close brackets. Now if I run it, see, value has been printed. How it happened? So first 10 will go in A, after that 20 will go in B and 30 will go in C. Then all the values will be added each other. So we will get the output 30. It means that addition of three values is 60. So that's why I am getting the output 60. So if you see here that there are three parameters and three values are there. If I remove one value from them, so when I run it, see, I will get the error. So for that purpose, if we want to check the two values, then how can we check? So for that, I have to write another condition for that. So I want to make it same and run it. So it's same right now. So if I want to add two values or multiplication of two values, that how will I do? Here I will write here another statement with elif a not equals to none and b not equals to none. Parameter, I will write here the values s equals to a plus b. Now I am going to change the values of object. So here I will give only two values. If I run, you can see the output is 30. It means that first a value is 10 will be here, and 20 will be here. So that's why I'm getting the addition of two numbers 30. But for an example, if I write here multiplication and run the code, then you can see 200. It means that 10 multiplied by 20 definitely 200. Now I'm going to write here else statement. Else, if both things are not, then this condition will be printed. Print provide at least two numbers. If user will give here three numbers or more than two numbers, then this program will not be executed. If you want to run this one, then you have to pass here three values. If you want to run this one, then you have to pass here two values. Now I run this program. See here, the output is same because here is two values are assigned. If I remove this one and run the program, see, you will get the output provide at least two numbers. This one, this statement will be executed. If you give here three values, 30 and 40, and run the program, you will get the 80 because 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 40, 80. Here you will get the output 80. How it happened? 10 plus 30 equals to 40. After that 40 plus 40, then it will be 80. So whenever you are passing here two values, then you will get the output of two values, 300. If you give here one value, then you will get else statement will be printed. Provide at least two numbers. So guys, this is the method overloading in Python. With the help of this way, you can do the method overloading. And guys, you can write many condition in one method because this is the one method I have written and all the values will be in the one method. Whatever you want to execute, then you can run in the one method. So guys, I hope so you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys.